Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Whiteboard Wednesdays. My name is Jeffrey Hunt and I've been in the electrical engineering field for about 14 years now. Today we're going to talk about RF technology and the planning involved with designing a PCB. RF technology certainly has come a long way since Guglielmo Marconi back in 1984 demonstrated to his mother that he could ring a doorbell from the other side of a room. That device was not small, nor was it safe. Such was the norm of the pioneering days of electricity or engineering in general. That is in stark contrast to today's RF technology, where we have cars that can drive themselves, we have little rectangles that can give you the information of the whole world, or we can control a robot that's on a different planet. We're literally surrounded by RF technology every day. But to make this technology requires ample planning, such as there's PCB layout that you have to consider where you want your different sections. There's shielding to consider for those different sections if you need it, types of shielding as well. There's the layers, how many layers you need in your PCB. Grounding is super important. What frequencies you're going to be designing for, which ties into whether you have an internal or external antenna. And then once you've gotten everything together, there's testing it, making sure that your project actually does what you want it to do. We will go more in depth with these various topics in future Whiteboard Wednesdays. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay grounded.